how do you pick a P2P merchant to trade with? So we're going to do this. We're going to click on one of these traders here, P2P merchants. Click on that. And then you're going to see various information here. So what are some of the things you should look at? One, it is the info, which shows you the number of trades in 30 days and also the completion rate of the trades. Okay, so he took or she took 197 trades and 100% of those trades were completed. What else are we supposed to look at? The average release time. So for this particular merchant, his or her average release time is 6.35 minutes and their average pay time is 0.2 minutes. So you can see this is a faster merchant when it comes to releasing or when it comes to payment time, right? Another thing you're supposed to look at is the feedback. So for the people he has been trading with, what is the feedback of those people? So you're going to click on feedback here and you're going to see how many positives. So he has had 241 feedback, okay? 235 of those were positive while 6 were negative. Okay, so it's very important to look at that kind of information. So what else are you supposed to look at? You're also supposed to look at the mode of payment or methods of payment. Different merchants use different payment methods. So for example, for these first merchants, they use bank transfer, Equity, Stanbic Bank. For these other ones, you can see bank transfer, M-PESA pay bill. You can see M-PESA pay bill alone. You see, so there are various methods of payment depending on what is favorable for the merchant. So you're also going to pick a merchant that suits the kind of payment method you want to use. Another thing I've also said is you want to see the minimum to maximum limits. Okay, so if you're going to trade 1,000 Kenya shillings, then this particular merchant here is not suitable for you because their minimum limit is 120,000. Okay, and maybe if you want to trade a maximum of 150,000 or 250,000, then it means you cannot use this first merchant here. You'd have to use a merchant that fits your range. For example, this second merchant here, who is between 5,000 to 250,000. Then another thing that you might want to look at is if the merchant is verified. How do you know a merchant is verified? Now, as you can see here, the difference between this first merchant and this second merchant is you can see there's a yellow badge sticker there on the second merchant. So that is what separates the two. A verified merchant has a yellow tick that signifies they have been verified, while an unverified merchant is any other merchant that does not have a yellow badge to signify verification. Okay, so if you're a beginner trader, it is very advisable for you to use verified merchants. But as you go on trading and you've gotten to know different traders, different merchants, you'll know how to separate the two. You can also use unverified merchants, but look out for those important information like trades, how many trades have they done, what is their completion rate of those trades, and what is the feedback, because some merchants might not be verified, but they're very, very dependable. Okay, so do not just do away with the unverified merchants because they're still trying to build up to become a verified merchant. And you as a retailer, you can also build your way into trading so that you can become a merchant and as well apply for verification later on. So those are some of the most important things to look out for before trading.